Kaya like, itukod ba kay para maka-record class. Walam ko ani Dirk.
8 na lang ita. 999.
Alright. Should I do it here? Yeah, lecture video. Kaya di naman sila kapel ng klase. 1 hour, 40-minute video sa akong cellphone. Mamot na natin.
3 GB. Ay, 300.
Kaya ba yun? Balas mo ba yun? Like,
1 GB ka rin.
or more than... Ay, pala na.
Ay, ita.
Okay, can you move forward para the closer the headboard.
Okay, sir.
Dali nga niya itong lesson mga
Sir, I mag-block sa camera.
our next two topics are very easy. Masayang siya eh. Okay. Sige.
Makita na siya.
Snatching sa
Okay.
Okay. Our previous topic was about similarity theorems. Right? We have the SAS, we have the SSS, and we have the AAA theorems. Under AAA, we have the AA corollary. So, kaning mga theorems and corollary would help us identify the two given triangles are similar. No? So, given that their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional, you could tell that the two triangles are similar. Now, we'll proceed to the midline theorem. So, what does it say? Midline theorem states that the segment down between the midpoints of the two triangles of the sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and half as long. So, what does it mean? Ang segment daw na nag-connect sa duha ka midpoints, kasi points man ni si D or E. Right? We could tell that these 2 points are midpoints because it bisects this side. Right? Agad ko ninyo. Midpoint si E, depending o kani equal. Midpoint po si B because this segment and this segment are equal. Now, kani daw na segment na nag-connect sa duha ka midpoint sa duha ka sides is parallel daw siya aning third side and half as long. Half as long, meaning kung 10 ni siya, okay, 5 to ni siya. Again, sino? Ang segment daw, again ha, sa'yo na ko, ang segment daw na nag-connect sa duha ka midpoint sa duha ka sides sa triangle is parallel daw sa third side o half po daw siya as long as the third side. Clear na? Okay. So how do we prove that? It's very simple. If you're going to bisect the two triangles, this triangle and the other triangle, and since midpoint B, automatic na ang kani siya, ang ratio ani o kani is 1:2, right? So kung ang ratios is 1:2, obviously, ang kani po na side o kani, 1:2 po. Kaya we can already determine that the two triangles are similar. Nanong similar man sila? What theorem can we use to prove that these two triangles, kaning gamay o kaning dako, similar? What theorem? SSS? No? Dili ka mo kayo ng SSS because this one and this one are not yet proven to be proportional. Kanilang sa na-given, na midpoint eh. Masa na theorem?
SAS.
Correct, SAS. Ganong SAS man. Kay kanisiya is proportional ani, kanikod siya proportional ani. Right? Kaya ang ratio ani 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. So meron tayong dalawang pares na corresponding sides, so be proportional. And where is the included angle?
B.
Kanin. Angle B is shared by the two triangles. By reflexive property, B is equal to itself. So these two triangles kaning gamay o kaning dako are similar by SAS, similarity theorem. Klaro na? So if they are similar, then this one and this one are proportional. So half as long na siya because they are similar. What else? Parallel. How do we know that they are parallel? So how na ito pag-prove that they are parallel? Na-prove na nato nga half as long because ang ilang ratio is 1 is to 2. But how do we prove that they are parallel? Kung saan na theorem ang atong magamit para ma-prove natin ang parallel sila? Hindi na.
Interior.
Ha?
Interior.
Interior? No. Another.
Exterior.
Na, layo. No. Di ba? Okay, na-prove na natin na similar sila, right? I'm not proving that this one is half as long as this one. Now, how do we know that these two are parallel? What theorem could help us prove that these two are parallel? I forgot na. Saan naman ang angles na form when there's a transversal that cuts the two other outer interior corresponding. Corresponding. Di ba these two are corresponding angles? Right? Corresponding sila, di ba? Corresponding angles. So these two angles, di ba, are congruent because we've proven that these two are similar. So corresponding angles are congruent. So if they are congruent by corresponding angles theorem, then the two sides, these two lines are parallel. Nagets na? Converse of corresponding angle theorem. Okay, so we have now proven the midline theorem, and it will be very easy for us to identify some missing parts of this triangle. No, kay midline theorem, ang kani siya katunga ani whole, and then these two are just equal. So let's try to use the theorem. So this is the proof. Okay, this one. So how do we solve for x if it's like this? What equation can we use? Okay? Sa mga equation? Adrian. Oh yeah, what? Sige, equation. This one down is half as long as this. So we could use 2x minus 14 is half of x plus 2. Right? Pwede. Pwede ba yun? Kasi 2x minus 14 is katunga ani, right? Or pwede po na, instead of using this, we could double this one, i-double na to ni, and then equate it with x plus 2. Right? Pwede.
Ano ba, sir?
Sakto eh. Si 2x minus 14 is half ni x plus 2.
Ayaw.
Sakto ba? Or, when you multiply both sides by 2, multiply tag 2 both sides, so pwede natin i-double si 2x minus 14, equate na siya sa x plus 2. Right? Sakto? Question na tayo. Drian. Dirk. Sure ha? Other na po na, mag-lock na po. Okay, so solve for x, you have 4x minus 28 equals x plus 2. So we have 3x equals 30. Therefore, x is 10. So to find ln, how do we solve for ln now? Substitute natin delivery verb. 2x Minus 14 is 2 times 10. Minus 14 is... Okay na? Question. So, that's the midway theorem. Okay. Next.
Six, sir.
Very good. 6. Ang pinakabula na minaw. Hindi, pag-fix yan. Yan, sakto ba? 6? Ingon ko yung yes. Sakto na Earth 6. 2 times 10. 20 minus 40. Okay na. Next. Okay, how about this? Okay, do it in your seats. Game, go, go. Nalilang kasi. Meron. Pinaka-absent lang sila. So, study na lang sila. Practice mo.
Record ko, sir. Para yata na ako.
Nag-record. Ang buta dyan na kasi. Okay. Sige, 1 for 1. Okay na? Sige. Ano yung answer? 12?
Yes, sir.
12 ba? 24 minus 18. 6. Yeah, sakto. Very good. Correct. Sakto na? Do you agree? That's 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no more solving. 12 na. Very good. One way to check if your answer is correct, you plug in the value of x to the given. And you would tell if your answer is correct. Clear? Okay. Sige. Let's try number 2 first. Let's try number 2. When you answer in your notebook, you copy also the problem. Kayo pa na, ano? Kita na study, it's only solution. Number 2. Sige. So, in triangle PQR daw, DUB are the midpoints of PQ. So, P, U, and B. Ano daw sila kay midpoints? Same ba? So, sunod, kaya ang perimeter ni PQR?
196.
Ha?
196.
Ano ba? Kaning gaway na triangle, ang iyang perimeter is 24.5. So, may perimeter ano yung dako ng triangle? Correct. Times 4. So, the answer is, kila man? 49. Okay, how do we prove that it's just half, it's twice? Okay. Kasi PB, si PB is half an QR, right? Kan PB ba? Inagets niyo. Kani sila is ato nga ani na side, right? So, si PB, ano? Si QR is twice ni PB, right? Si PR po is twice ani PU. Sakto? Kunya, kanin si PQ is twice po ni kanin UB. Nagets nila? Let you read. Perimeter is when you add all the sides, right? So si QR plus PR plus PQ is the perimeter, right? Gets na? So it's just the same with twice PB plus twice PU plus twice UB. And what's the common? 2. Twice PB plus twice plus PU plus UB. And this is the perimeter. So what's the perimeter of the triangle? So twice 24 and that's not. Yes. Sige, I want you to answer number 3. Determine the unknowns parts. I'll give you 2, 4, 6 minutes.
Number 2. Ano ba? Number 3. Kahit ano. yata yung nuts, no?
Last minute. Okay, sige. Volunteer on the board. A, B, letter A, PU. What's PU? PU is, okay, correct, 13. Sunod,
30.
RE.
30.
RE is, correct, 13 also. Sunod, BN, 24. Correct. BRP. BRP.
36.
So, kanin.
Ay, BRP.
BRP kanin.
144.
Answer is 1. Ano 1 to 6 na? Kung meron siya 36, kanin po siya 36 po din. Right? May alternate gear ang gusto ni. Kaya parallel ba ini? Kani ba parallel na yun? Takto? 144 dapat. Clear? Kaya 180 man. The next, PRE. PRE. 36. RBM. RBM. 36. Okay, the answer is 36. Okay. Why 36? Because this one and this one are okay. Question about the midline theorem. Ano? Sa itong midline theorem, Adrian, okay, the midline theorem states that the segment that connects the two midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is what? Saan to the segment? Is parallel to the third side and half as long. Okay. That ends our first lesson. Dali lang. Question, Dexter. Wala. Ano ba? Okay, next lesson. Okay, next lesson is about this. Angle proportionality theorem. Then may angle bisector proportionality. Or angle bisector muna tayo. Okay, correct. So in this figure, what is the angle bisector? Which is the angle bisector? Okay, segment CD. Why? Because CD divides this angle into two equal parts. So si CD ang angle bisector diriya. At the same time, it's parallel to the opposite side. Ano? Perpendicular. So perpendicular siya forming right angles. Okay, so in this figure, what can you say about the two smaller triangles? Kanina triangle o kanina? What can you say? They are what? They are congruent. Anong congruent man silang duha? Okay, asa postulate. Wait, why asa? Okay, wait. Isa ka pares na angle. Isa ka para another pair of angles. And then an included side. So, angle, side, angle. Claro? So these two are congruent. Now, since the two triangles are congruent by asa postulate, then we could say that CAC, di ba CAC corresponds to which side? BC. So kung CAC over BC, what's the result? What's the result when you divide the length of AC by the length of BC? 1. Ay, 1. Ano 1 man? Okay, they are the same. Right? Okay, how about AD over BD? 1. Still 1. So, are they proportional?
Yes.
Proportional, right? Okay, they are equal. Now, what if it's no longer perpendicular? Will the proportion hold true?
No.
That's the question.
Yes.
Kanina, it's easy to prove that the proportion is true because the ratio is 1:1. It's obvious because the two triangles are obviously congruent. How about this? The angle bisector is no longer perpendicular to its opposite side. Will the proportion hold true?
Yes.
Yes. There. Pero pa maghapon na si AC over BC is equal maghapon daw siya sa AB over BD. What's that title of that song? Bruno Mars, no? Ha? How? Di Carabao, di ba? Okay? Oh, sige. So what does the LG say? Extend daw. According to the LG, extend daw na to. Prove. Okay, we'll extend BC to some point, name na to ang point E. And then we're going to construct daw a line AE na parallel daw sa angle bisector. May construction. Agets na? Ang construction. I-extend na po ni kanina na side A. And then construct a line parallel to the angle bisector. Then name the intersection E. We did not change anything sa given triangle ha. Nag-extend lang pa.
Yes.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay na, sige. So from here, how do we prove that AC over BC is equal to AB over BD? Di ba muni? Right?
Yes, sir.
Kani-kani na, di ba muni? Kani over kani is equal to kani over kani. Saan ba natin napag-prove? Okay. Sige, knowing the midline or the basic proportionality theorem. Asa man na two triangles ani ang similar. Kani, di ba? Kani na triangle CBD. The triangle CBD is similar to triangle EBA. Sakto?
Yes, sir.
Kaning dumay na triangle, kani-kani, o kaning dako, similar daw sila. Sakto?
Yes, sir.
So kung similar sila, asa man, wala may midline ano, wala midline kay kani, hindi ko sila equal. Kani po din equal. Sige. So kung similar ang kanyang triangle na gamay, kaning dako, asa man ang proportional na pagkaan nila parang size. Okay, this is kani. Kani over kani is equal to kani over kana. Right? Kung na siya.
Yeah.
Sakto?
Yes, sir.
Sunod.
Line EA is stronger than line CB.
Line.
EA.
Asan yung mga angles ang congruent?
Congruent? Congruent?
Saan ka natulan, no?
Corresponding.
May ngunta nga si, di ba sa ako ang lection kay kani si BC. BC over kani EC is equal to BD over AD. Sakto?
Yeah.
Di ba? Kaya kung parallel ni siya na side ani, proportional daw ni pagkat ani na 1 ani o diri a. So kung kani ang ratio ani 1:2, kani pod 1:2. Clear? Mo nang si BC, BC over AC is equal to BD over AB. Sakto? Nagits na? Okay, ang proportion. Unya, nga nung ilusot man yung si, sa malapulihan na to, ani? Sa upat. Si EC. Right? Si EC, pulihan na to, AC. Hala. Sakto ba?
Ay, oo, ay equal sa iba.
Nga naman, mag-prove na, how will we prove now, na kanyang si AC, equal na dahil AC. Mo na lang ako ang equal. Di ba sa proportion?
Angle.
Sa kanyang upat, tulo na lang.
Transverse.
AC rin na saan? O Adrian, how do we prove that si AC, congruent ka AC? Congruent sila daw. Congruent daw ni
Alternate interior.
O kani AD. Ha? EC of AC. May AC. Kanina yan. Lang. Lang. Yan ang congruent daw sila.
Alternate interior.
Okay, correct. Alternate interior. Kung alternate interior, kani siya na angle, buta natin si XD, di ba? XX. So X po din, right?
Yeah.
Sakto ko.
Yes, sir.
Ito na. Hindi ko rin. Kani isa ka X din ha? O kani, congruent po. Right? Corresponding man ni o kani. Right? Oh. So, kung equal ni silang duha, converse ni isosceles triangle theorem. Na kung equal ang duha ka angles, their opposite sides are also So we can now substitute EC by AC because they are equal. So mahimutang na BC over AC is equal to BD over AB.
And then ibaliktad.
Pwede na yung may baliktad. Okay, these two are just
Wow!
amazing. Question ko yan. Amazing na? Amazing. So, tinood gihapon to. No? Sa to-atong conjay na. So, tinood gihapon na even though dili siya perpendicular aning tulong kas duha ka opposite side, mo tinood gihapon ang proportion na si kani AC over BC, nag-gets niyo? Is equal to AD over BD. So that's the angle bisector proportionality theorem. Okay. Sige, sunod. Para mas dali ninyo masabtan, o mamadumduman di ay, actually, dali ano ni kani over kani is equal to kani over kani. Aside from ani, pwede po gumagamit o nani. This is how I do it. Okay, para mas dali na ako siya madumduman. Kani, this side over this is equal to this side over that. Kani daw, over kani, wala siya o less than, is equal to greater than. Ang mas dali. Yan, okay lang. So, kani sila duha, ising running. Di ba we are going to multiply AC and BD here? AC and BD. Same magapon. AC and BD. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Diba their cross products are equal? Cross products are equal.
Sir, mag-movie ko na, sir.
Ha? Hindi na. Product solving na. Okay na?
Microwave sa exam, sir.
Yeah, magpupulong po.
Oh, okay.
Okay na? Sige. So you are going to use this concept in solving the problems. Okay, sa midlang ito. Here. So, sa ganito, kung angle bisector, ang proportion is pwede kani over equals kani duha. Pwede po this side over this is equal to this side over this. Okay na. Okay, let's try to solve some problems. Hindi ka sabot. Okay. So let's now define the theorem formally. According to the theorem, an angle bisector daw in a triangle separates the opposite side into segments that have the same ratio as two other sides. Example, kani ang angle bisector daw iya daw i-divide ang kaning duha ka segments the same ratio with these two sides. Kung ang kaning two sides is 1:2, kaning mo siya 1:2. Clear? Kung 2:3, kaning po 2:2. Muna yung concept. Okay. Muna ko na ang kani i-divide ani same ra ani divide ani. Okay, so let's try. So, ay wala na. Ay, correct ko na. Kasi daw, di ba kagayin na dapat ang proportion dapat correct? Ito become cross product niya. Sige daw. I want you to identify based on the figure which of these proportions are correct. Sige. 10 minutes daw. So I'll give you 10 minutes to finish all this time. So we are going to determine kung asaan ni na 10 proportions ang correct. Sige. 10 minutes in your seats. I'll give a timer. I'll provide a timer on the board. And we exchange papers after. Ang lowest, Mang
Hala?
Oh, that's the catch. Which one's that? Okay, right, Adrian? Ang lowest, Manili.
Wait, what? Oh.
So, yeah.
No, thank you.
Just write correct or incorrect.
I just
Yes.
put yes or not.
Just write correct or correct or yes or no.
How about yes or not?
What time ta? Pangay? 9:10, di ba?
Yes, yes. Allergies after this, sir. Ilan pag allergies after this?
Yes. Another one for the exercises.
What's the last allergy?
That's the LG for today.
For today. Wag mo lang ako pagkakaroon na.
Sige. Tapos na, nakit.
Done, sir.
Pero kasi there. Nata ka there. Sige. I'll give you a hint. What's the correct proportion gani? AB over AD is equal to BE over AB, right?
Yes.
Or BE. B over AD, right? Sakto ba? Kani daw na side, same na daw na ratio aning mga side. Right? Oh, so si A to B over AD is equal to BE over AB. So asa man ani ang mga proportions are correct based ani. So para may bawa na to, dapat correct ang ilang cross product. So may cross product ani. AB times ED equals AD times BE. So maasa man ani ang mga proportions ang result ani dapat pares ni o pares ni. Nagets na? Pares-pares ninyo na cross product ninyo. Dapat mo ni ang mga partners. Dapat mag-uban si AB, si ED, tapos si AD, si B. Sige, 2 minutes more.
Next class.
Isa ba? Mali ang correct. Correct. So asa man ani, ang result ani. Mali correct. Akin na?
Sir.
Sige. Last minute. Change diet na.
Tama. Senior one? Yes. Ay, nakita mo na si Dio.
Okay, let's check. Exchange now your papers. Okay. Number 1, correct or not? Say A, B, A, B, A, B, D. Correct. Number 2, incorrect. Number 3,
Correct.
It's not.
AE is not part of the equation. Right? AE. So lahat ng may AE dyan, mali. Okay? So number 3 is not correct. Number 4, correct ba? DA. Correct. 5, incorrect. 6, for mo? Okay, correct. 7, ha, na may AE. Incorrect.
Incorrect.
7,
Incorrect.
DEOED, no. Incorrect si 8. 9, incorrect. Number 10,
Correct.
correct. Sakto?
That's it.
Sige. Sige, ugat. Ugat, 10. Uy, very good. 9. Sila ka 9. 9, ugat 9. Adrian, ugat 9. 8. 7. 6. 6, si Dirt. Kasi si Dirt ang manghilok. Ay, 5. 4. 3. 6, pwede mo.
Wait, number 8 is... Wait, sir. What's number 8, sir?
Number 8 is incorrect. Bilis for niya tila. Sana eh. Pero pwede mo nung purek.
Ay,
Oh, si Akila na kinapalun sa actions.
Wala.
Okay. So let's proceed to problem solving. Sige, how about that? What proportion can we use to solve for x?
18 over x, 12 over 6.
18 over x.
Yes, what proportion?
18 over x.
Sige, pwede. Pwede 18 over x equals 12 over 6. So obviously, x is 9. Nanong 9 man? Kay half man eh. Diba? 12 over 6, 2. So 18 over 9, 2. So x is 9. Oh. Ay, katanaw no? One loop. Just one loop without cross multiplying and everything. Sakto? Dirt? No? 9. Okay. Next. Okay, how about this? Sige. To create a proportion and solve for x.
Okay. Aye, Captain.
also 5. Also 5.
Oh.
I think.
Yeah.
Zero factors 5.
X minus 5, X plus 12. Yeah. So 5 ang answer. Yeah.
I don't know how to that.
Unbelievable.
Yeah,
I mean, I'll take it if you're right. I'm not sure. I mean, I'll take it. That means you're not confident.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's a waste of electricity.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
We must be more conscious of our energy consumption.
Okay. Thank you.
Because
Okay na?
very strong.
Sige, what is the value of X?
5.
Okay, 5. Do you have another answer?
No.
Wala.
Sir, si third sir kay X12, X5 daw.
No.
That's what you told me kanina.
Okay, for us to know if your answer is correct, we're going to substitute, diba? If it's 5 here, this would be 12, right? So
Yeah.
12 over 6 is 2. Then 10 over 5 is 8. It's correct.
Wow.
Wow. Next, okay, how about this? Go. So sad. So sad. Nakaka-sad.
No, I don't know.
Two, four, six,
Nine.
Ah, sige hapon.
Ano ma-consumption? Wala ko na klase.
Final exam. Final exam, December 16. Na double period po.
Double pay.
23 niya ba? Ay, 21.
Kapag mga wala ka, ikaw,
21 niya?
Hindi naman advance naman yun.
Mana?
Ang klase
Sir, sir.
Ay,
7 ang answer ni sir.
asa ma'am?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ay, attendance.
Kasi, 21 eh.
O siya na muna? Ay.
Kung X ni siya,
Oh wait, we're doing a
Kung
different
X
question.
ni-
30 minus X.
30 minus 6 is
Kisa rin mo rin, kisa rin mo.
Sir.
Since when did we change questions?
Asa yung
Bali ako, bali.
Bayon sa'yo, 21 times 30, kapoy mag-solve. Ay, 630.
Last
Minus
Ay, buntag na.
May marinos pa man ang
Lagi? Lagi? Yung next. Ito yung
Ano 26 over 5. I did 24. Ay, wow, divide 45 wala dapat ni. Dapat 9x. Kasi lang yung 126. Ay, mas 17.
That's 17. 17.
14?
17 right. 14.
What are we rolling over X, right? 14. X. 110 ako.
17 pala po. 17 pa po. Pwede ba 126 divided by 9 is 17?
1 month, 21 over x. Divided by 40 minus x.
Diba 45 is equal to 630? So may mo siya 9x is equal to 126. So when dividing 126 by 9, that becomes 17.
Where did you get 126 from?
Okay.
5 5x equivalent to 630.
630 is 60, so that's 12. 30 is 6, so 126. Huh?
Divided by
Also for divided by 6.
Same around good, but this is divided by 14.
Huh? 17 man siya.
Diba 45x minus 630?
Ay, buang.
Tapos divided by natin sa para makancel.
Diba, buang ko kayo. Una-una na ako. 12 minus 9 is 5. Ay. So, 36 dapat siya. Kaya ko 56 divided by 9, so 7.
Where did you get all these numbers? I did not do those numbers once.
Yeah, going forward.
For 96, you know what I say? 24.
Mo proportion.
Ha?
Hindi mo proportion.
21 over x is equal to 24 over 30 minus x. Less than, greater than,
What about the other side?
Yeah, what positive on 30?
Oh,
That's
that's
16. That's 26.
Mas wala sa'yo mo proportion.
12 over x, 24 over 24
Could have put it on. Oh, never mind. Could have put it on Adrian's chair, but his chair is short.
Dili ma-capture ang entire board.
Yeah.
That's why we should only use one time. Yeah, on Diggly
It's pretty small.
What? Zoom in daw ta. Ay, ay.
210. Dapat din 30 minutes extra. 210 ano?
Naabay wires na. Wire.
Kini daw.
Osman.
110
ano?
Ha?
What? What? This has been going on for an hour only. And we only just tilted it now.
30 minutes next Stop stealing my phone.
Will this even send in Messenger? Are you gonna send a part 1, part 2, part 3? Maths, part 1.
Okay.
Subay na lang.
14, sir.
14, sir.
14.
100.
Sure na.
Yes.
Sure na.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So kung 14 ni, check na to. Pila man ni? 16. Pila may edition? 21, 24. 7. 7 is to 8. Sakto ko.
Yes.
Reduce sa to ni 7 is to 8. Kani 7 is to 8 ba ni?
Yes.
Nice. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Sir, 210 ako.
Huh? Why are you gonna have this one?
No, thank you. Di na ako, sir.
Solution? What kind of
Ah,
solution is that?
Wait, what? Oh, that's a solution. Yeah.
Where they get 7 from?
Reduce na lang kasi, no?
What? They're making it harder than it has to. I don't know, because you make it right.
Mali, mali.
No, but then look, the answer is
Yeah.
so we need to multiply by 3.
Okay, multiply by 3.
Outside.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Wala, challenging problem daw.
Challenging problem? No. Never mind, I'm not doing that.
Sir, ang sa'yo, buwan doon, sir.
Okay, so you have here 4. Sige, I want you to answer.
You still have 10.
Na. Sige, number 1.
C.
W.
This is W.
Uy.
That? Okay. All like 10. Excuse you.
Find
27.
Find W. Find W and the perimeter of the triangle.
27.
2, so
27. 27.
4.
5. Oh, it's fine. The ratio, sir, is 1 is to 2.
10 plus.
What's the ratio?
What's that?
What is the ratio?
Wait, no. Down.
It should be 4 is to 5. So 4 is to 5 dapat.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, naman na.
Ah.
Yeah, I just don't know what the ratio is.
Wow.
Pero I got 4 at that. W is good. Yeah. Easy. Oh wait, oh,
Ransel, bing. Boomle, boomle, boomle. Roy.
Yeah. Delimiter.
Then I saw the Congo creeping through the, cutting through the jungle with a golden tree. Then along the river went the thousand miles, adult cannibals, danced in fights. Then I heard the beat of the blood sound.
You got it, yeah?
And blood. Scream the
Sigma Falls? I'm not using the dormers.
Abraham Dormers. This entire week, Dormers has been open.
Why?
But, nag-decide na sila na i-abre na lang Dormers Wi-Fi for the Dormers.
And remember when there was students Wi-Fi everywhere? That was so good.
Wala na yung budget. Wala na.
Okay.
We don't have the money. We're broke.
What's your answer?
W.
W is equal to 2 and the perimeter is 27.
Yeah, W is
You have
Or
same answer there? 2? Kung 2 na so kali 4.
Five.
Sakto ba?
Yes.
1 is to 2, sir.
Very good.
Yes, thank you.
So this would be 8 and this would be
5.
Huh? Yeah. 5 na 2 naman ito, no?
Yeah.
So pila ang kuan? Pila
27.
perimeter?
27.
27.
Wow.
Next. Okay, how about number 3? Okay, number 2 and 4 will be your assignment. So you are going to include that in your assignment to be checked tomorrow. So you have 2 assignments to check tomorrow. Okay. So the last is number 3.
Guys, dili ta mo saba sa GC. May man lang ta like kung kinsay mo tanaw sa video, sila rin makaibalo na na assignment.
2 and 3, sir.
Ha? Number 2 lang. Number 3 lang.
Bitaw.
Remember
7.4.2.
Ako na ba guys?
7 times 6.
5. Find the lengths of the remaining two is to 3, man. Dapat 2 is to 3. 1 divided by 4 is 4. So 8 is to 12. Wow, 8 is to 12. 8 is to 12.
I'll divide one side into 2. Now there are angle. Angle, triangle. An angle by the curve line. Divide the entire into
8, 12.
length of 2 inches and range. One side. Find the length of the remaining 2 sides. So this is x. This is 30.
Okay, what's the answer?
8 and 12.
12.
Lock. Sure na?
Yes.
How the hell did
So yung third down of the triangle is 25.
55.
Tapos the angle by side third down divides one side of the triangle into lengths 2 and 3. Find the lengths of the other side.
5.
8 and
Kung
12.
20.
2, 3.
Dapat 2/3.
So ang 20,
Two-thirds.
kani. So pangitaon daw ang si X and si Y.
Yes.
Diba? So dapat ang ratio po ani ni X ug ni Y 2:3 po.
Yeah.
So kung saan naman nila nabili? 25 minus 5, 20. So si X plus Y dapat 20.
Okay.
Sakto?
Yes.
Niya,
Okay.
kung sa may mga numbers na kung add up sa 20 na ang ratio 2:3.
8 and 12.
8 of 12. So how do you do it?
You can equate the two sides to 2x plus 3x is equal to
Yeah.
Kani.
2x.
So this would be 2x plus 3x equals 20. So 5x is 20.
Wait, you can do it.
4x is 4.
You can do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Ang ratio nila may 2 is 2.
Yeah.
So 2x and 3x, 20 ang sum.
Gituglan mo na tataan ni grade 7 how to solve geometric sides.
Wait, what?
Algebra. Word problems.
Oh.
X is 4. So kani 2x mani, this is 2x.
Tapos,
Kani siya. Para ano.
Okay.
Start, yeah, for experience. Okay na? Sana mas matter. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. So for your assignment, you are going to answer numbers
2 and 4.
2 and 4 to be checked tomorrow together with your first assignment. Are we clear? Okay, that ends our lesson. I hope you learned something today. See you tomorrow with Fridays.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. May the Lord reward you. Take home the belongings.
English lang, di ba?
Ma-quiz.
We will have a different kind of quiz tomorrow. It's a group quiz.
Oh! Quiz bowl or no?
Some sort of gizmo. Okay, we'll finish the video. Bye.
Wait.
Did you record the session?
Outro. Adrian say. Wait.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
Yes, sir.